This is not my favorite tape measure. This has not been working that well. These have been working great. If you're watching this video, I'm willing to bet that much like this made in Japan 100-foot solid tape measure, this does have some plastic, you might go to estate sales and sometimes buy tools. I'm just guessing. These are all over the place. You can find these, I guess what I kind of call solid state tools. This is plastic. It's much harder plastic, but this is a made in Japan 100-foot spooled tape measure that comes in handy just like this stuff does. I use it all the time. So that's one of my favorite tape measures. This is Kesson Industries from Naperville, Illinois. Okay, this is my other favorite tape measure. This is, as you can see, a made in the USA, all metal tape measure. It's really not that big. There's a little scale for you. It's about the size of my ear. But the thing is, it's all what I call solid state. You can hear, there's a little ASMR for you. There's just a really nice smooth running spring inside this tape measure, and it's all metal. Got this nice spring that's not plastic, that's not gonna break. It's a little bit loose. This is a 10-footer made in the USA. There isn't even actually a brand name on it. True Zero Hook. Possibly somebody knows what's going on with that. I found this at an estate sale for $1, which is just incredible thinking about what a new tape measure costs. Let me know what you think. Thanks for hanging out.